प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम। 10th इंग्लिश के बोर्ड के पेपर में एक सवाल आता है जिसमें आपको डायरेक्ट सेंटेंसेस को इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करना होता है और ये 5 नंबर का होता है। आज मैं आपको ऐसे अहम तरीन या मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट डायरेक्ट सेंटेंसेस बताऊंगा जो कि बोर्ड के इम्तिहान में बार बार आते हैं और मुझे उम्मीद है कि अगर आप इस वीडियो में मौजूद फ़िक्रों को डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करना सीख लें तो इंशाल्लाह कम से कम 5 फ़िक्रे आपको ज़रूर आपके बोर्ड के पेपर में ऐसे आ जाएंगे जिनको आप इजीली इनडायरेक्ट सेंटेंसेस में चेंज कर सकेंगे। सबसे पहले आपको मैं बता दूं कि अगर आप डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट फ़िक्रे बनाना सीखना चाहते हैं तो इस वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जो लिंक्स हैं उनको ओपन करके आप ये तरीका आसानी से सीख सकते हैं। The very first most important direct speech is he said to his sister, please say something. इसका indirect होगा he requested his sister to say something. He said, Raw, I have won the medal. He exclaimed joyfully, yeah, he exclaimed with joy that he had won the medal. She said, may you prosper. She prayed that I might prosper. They say, we have done our duty. They say that they have done their duty. She said, I did not go to school yesterday. She said that she had not gone to school the previous day. He said, she will go there. He said that she would go there. He said, alas, I am ruined. He exclaimed with sorrow. Yeah, he exclaimed sorrowfully that he was ruined. She says, I hope I am not late. She says that she hopes she is not late. He said to me, tell the truth. He advised me to tell the truth. He said, I am unwell. He said that he was unwell. The boy said, what do you want me to do? The boy asked what I wanted him to do. They said, our teacher is on leave. They said that their teacher was on leave. She said to her father, may you live long. She prayed for her father that he might live long. He said, may God help me do my duty. He wished, या फिर आप लिख सकते हैं he prayed that God might help him do his duty. She said to me, you are a lazy boy. She told me that I was a lazy boy. She said, the patient died in the hospital. She said that the patient had died in the hospital. He said, I am not a thief. He said that he was not a thief. She said, I shall never do such a thing. She said that she would never do such a thing. He said, Raw, we have won the match. He exclaimed with joy. Yeah, he exclaimed joyfully that they had won the match. He said I hope you will not repeat this mistake. He said that he hoped I would not repeat that mistake. The teacher said to Moin, I have taught you and your sister. The teacher told Moin that he had taught him and his sister. She said, I am doing my home task now. She said that she was doing her home task then. The mother said to her daughter, May God bless you with a son. The mother prayed for her daughter that God might bless her with a son. The teacher said, Who is the author of this book? The teacher asked, Who was the author of that book? She said, He rang me up at 12 midnight. She said that he had rung her up at 12 midnight. The mother said to her daughter, Please tidy up your room. The mother advised her daughter to tidy up her room. He said, 2 and 2 make 4. He said that 2 and 2 make 4. She said, The earth revolves around the sun. She said that the earth revolves around the sun. He says, I want to speak to you. He says that he wants to speak to me. He said, I have returned the books. He said that he had returned the books. The teacher said, Do not make a noise. The teacher advised not to make a noise. She said, Where do you live? She asked where I lived. The judge said, Have you anything more to say? The judge asked if I had anything more to say. You have said they are waiting outside. You have said that they are waiting outside. She said, I am helping my brother. She said that she was helping her brother. She said, Is this your book? She asked if that was my book. He said, Will you listen to me? He asked if I would listen to him. The judge said, Call the next witness. The judge ordered to call the next witness. She said to them, Let us not deceive ourselves. She suggested that they should not deceive themselves. He said to her, I live in this building. He told her that he lived in that building. He said to the stranger, I do not recognize you. He told the stranger that he did not recognize him. She said, I like clouds in the sky. She said that she liked clouds in the sky. She said to me, Do not waste your time in idle talk. She advised me not to waste my time in idle talk. The referee said, Quiet, please. The referee requested, यहाँ पे आप me का word include कर सकते हैं, अगर ना भी करें तो ओके है. The referee requested me या the referee requested to be quiet. She said, may you prosper. She prayed that I might prosper. He said, she will go there. He said that she would go there. She said, I do not agree with you. She said that she did not agree with me. He said, how well she sings. He exclaimed with wonder that she sang very well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also like and share this video with your friends. Thanks.